In this video, we are going to see how we can remove or delete a YouTube video on our channel forever. So I'm going to show you how we can do this for a single video and for multiple videos as well. So first of all, just head over to the YouTube Studio, click on the top right hand corner and click on the YouTube Studio, which will land you here. And after that, you click on the content and you choose the video that you want to remove. For example, I'll remove this one. Click on the more actions and you can click on delete forever. Also, if you want to do it for multiple videos, you can select them all. And from the more actions, you click on delete forever. So whatever we want to delete, we click on it. I understand that it cannot be undone. Click on delete forever. It might take some time depending on the videos you have. And after that, after waiting for some time, your videos will be deleted. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.